Construct. Construct. To build or assemble something. The workers will construct a new building. Demolish. Demolish. To tear down or destroy a structure. They will demolish the old house to make space for a new one. Renovate. Renovate. To restore or improve a building or structure. We plan to renovate the kitchen next month. Install. Install. To set up or put in place. The electrician will install new lighting fixtures. Repair. Repair. To fix or mend something that is damaged. The carpenter will repair the broken window frame. Paint. Paint. To apply color to a surface. We need to paint the walls in the living room. Build. Build. To construct or create a structure. They will build a fence around the garden. Remodel. Remodel. To alter or update the structure of a building. The homeowners decided to remodel the bathroom. Lay. Lay. To place or arrange something on a surface. The workers will lay new tiles in the kitchen. Assemble. Assemble. To put together or assemble parts into a whole. We need to assemble the furniture after delivery. Dig. Dig. To break, turn over, or remove earth with a shovel. The workers will dig a hole for the foundation. Level. Level. To make something flat or even. The carpenter will level the ground for the foundation. Excavate. Excavate. To remove earth carefully to uncover something. The archaeologist will excavate the foundation. Grout. Grout. To fill the gaps between tiles with a cement-like mixture. The workers will grout the bathroom tiles. Sand. Sand. To smooth or polish a surface using sandpaper. The carpenter will sand the wooden furniture. Weld. Weld. To join two pieces of metal by melting them together. The welder will weld the steel beams. Plaster. Plaster. To cover a surface with a smooth layer of plaster. The workers will plaster the walls before painting. Caulk. Caulk. To seal joints or seams with a waterproof filler. The plumber will caulk around the window. Saw. Saw. To cut through something using a saw. The carpenter will saw the wooden planks. Nail. Nail. To fasten with nails. The carpenter will nail the boards together. Screw. Screw. To fasten with screws. The worker will screw the shelves to the wall. Bolt. Bolt. To fasten with bolts. The engineer will bolt the metal pieces together. Glue. Glue. To join or attach with glue. The craftsman will glue the pieces of the model. Prime. Prime. To apply a preparatory coating. Prime the walls before painting. Stain, stain. To color or treat with a stain. The woodworker will stain the furniture for a rich finish. Tape, tape. To attach or seal with tape. Tape the edges of the surface is to protect from paint. Craft, craft. To make or create with skill and artistry. The artist will craft a sculpture from wood. Tile, tile. To cover a surface with tiles. The workers will tile the kitchen floor. Grind, grind. To wear down or smooth with a grinding tool. The worker will grind the edges of the metal. Square, square. To make something square or right angled. The carpenter will square the corners of the frame. Measure, measure. To determine the dimensions or quantity of something. Measure twice, cut once in carpentry. Cut, cut. To divide or sever with a cutting tool. The worker will cut the boards to the desired length. Drill, drill. To make a hole using a drill. The worker will drill holes for the screws. Wrench, wrench. To tighten or loosen with a wrench. The mechanic wrenched the bolt loose with her wrench. Tighten, tighten. To make something tight or secure. Tighten the screws to ensure stability. Loosen, loosen. To make something less tight or secure. Loosen the bolts before disassembling the parts. Laminate, laminate. To cover with a thin layer, often for protection. The worker will laminate the countertop.